दिशाद जो हमारी लीडर है, उन्होंने हमसे मिलते ही कहा कि आप एक ओलंपिक लेवल के एथलीट हो सकते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ पर जो भी हीरोगिरी दिखाएगा उसके लिए एक चॉपर आएगा, नॉट टू सेलिब्रेट देम, क्योंकि आप एक स्ट्रेचर पे लेटे होंगे और आपको उठा के लेके जाएंगे। सी विद समथिंग लाइक दिस क्या होता है कि यू आर गोइंग इनटू नेचर, नेचर को जितना आप रिस्पेक्ट करोगे, यू नो, वो एल्टीट्यूड को जितना आप रिस्पेक्ट करोगे, यू नो, उधर एक्लेमेटाइज होना, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना, यू नो, एज इट विल बी फिजिकली, जब आप थक जाते हैं तो इमोशनली और मेंटली जो सहारा आपको मिलता है। आई थिंक दीज थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट, और इसीलिए जो हमारे सोल्जर्स वहाँ पर कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक इज सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे को यूनाइटेड रख रहे हैं वहाँ पर। एंड फॉर अस टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी like this to go there, I think thanks to Eros now and Honorable for making sure that we could get there. Pehli baar, I think civilians are being allowed to go all the way till the place, and I think that's a huge opportunity. तो मेरे नाना जी आर्मी में थे, उन्होंने वो सियाचिन चढ़े थे, they had put the first gun then, you know, और so it's for all those heroes in our lives that we want to salute, who have their own little battles, okay, that I think we all are going for. So I think that personal thing is your training, कि आप में जितनी जिगर है अंदर, you know, कितना हौसला है, उससे I think that's what's going to see us through. I don't think any of our training and fitness is really going to help after the point.
Hi, Ariman Raj here. Yeah. Mr. Zulfikar, how do you plan to broadcast this once it is shot?
Well, this has not been planned as a normal commercial project that we do. As I mentioned, we believe in taking this story out, and we are going to take it by the day, to be very honest. It's uncharted territory, you know, and we're going to record a lot of it. It's their individual journeys, some very, very unique stories, like Arjun mentioned. His grandfather, you know, was there in the army. Ranvijay is sixth generation in the army. His father just retired as Lieutenant General. So there are unique stories. We are going to document this entire trip. When we come back, we'll stitch up a nice story, and then we'll put it out for people. And the idea is to put out something which is so inspiring on two levels. One is to, you know, honor the men that continue to man the posts over there in all the adverse conditions that they do, and the other is to, you know, propagate or encourage a spirit of adventure and a little bit of being nationalist, you know, some level.
Yeah, my next question is actually for Ms. Dilshad, so she could come on stage.
Dilshad man, there's a question for you.
Dilshad is never going to be done, I can promise you that.
I Dilshad, yeah.
Question?
Yeah.
It's coming for you.
Being the leader for all these celebs, what are the kind of rules you have set for them? And you have Ranvijay, who is quite a prankster. You have Arjun, which is quite a prankster. So, what kind of tough roles do you have?
Will there be a teetotaler during this duration? Arjun.
Yes, the answer to the second question is yes.
You guys be teetotaler
Yes.
during this?
Ask me. Ask me that question.
और गरम चाय भी नहीं मिलने वाली, that's what you told us.
चाय भी नहीं मिलेगी क्योंकि by the time it reaches that tent, it's going to be ice cold. But to answer your question, there are some very basic, simple rules. Don't try to be a hero. The altitude will get you, even if you're an Olympic athlete. And therefore, the slower you are, the faster you'll reach. The last person in is the one who actually gets the medal in treks like this. Early morning walks, because the sun can get very, very, very hot and very burning. So we would rather not trek in that kind of heat. So the ideal thing would be to leave by 6. So everybody has to wake up by 5. Rule number 1. Be ready to leave by 6. No man can be left behind. And trekking party will wait for no one. So I'll be cracking my whip from 5 o'clock onwards. They're very basic, simple rules. If you feel ill, I need to know. If you don't feel that you're going to be able to walk ahead, I need to know.